guys, welcome back to another video, and as you can see, we're doing the donut challenge. We're racing it a 5-minute time, and
you guys doing a contest? You're gonna see who's gonna eat the donuts fast and race against a 5-minute? No?
yeah.
Of course you're doing it blindfolded, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so welcome back guys. Welcome back to another beautiful day, and as you can see today we're doing a little bit different. We're doing the donut contest. Yes, it looks yummy. So we'll see how it turns out. Like I said, 5-minute. They'll have 5 minutes to race against. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. Alright. Alright, you guys ready?
Yes.
Is Mike sweetened?
Uh-huh. Alright, you guys ready?
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's do this. The count of 3, 2, 1, 0. Go ahead.
Ow! Yuck!
Come on, guys. Remember, don't touch it. Don't touch it with your hand. Is it really hard for you guys to take a bite? Don't use your hand.
Ow! I got hit!
Don't use your hand.
Oh, it landed on me.
I
got a bite.
See, if you keep moving around, you're gonna make it move around. So just try. Else then you're not even moving around.
Let's go.
Just take a bite. Come on.
Mine is too high!
Hey, stop moving, man.
All right, Austin, you got it. You got it. Come on, you can bite. You can take a bite. Come on.
Open my mouth.
I got it! Ow!
I took a bite.
Uh-huh. Elster, you have to go back.
Oh, there. Mom, what did you push me?
Oh, yeah.
I have it!
Are you eating?
I ate once!
I know.
Mars, you're way.
Hey!
out of my way!
Monson, you're eating else this one.
Wait, am I right here?
Nope. Go back. Go back. To your left. I mean, to your right.
Where's mine?
Move up a little bit further. Come forward. Elston. To your right. No, that's your left. To your right. Yeah, right there.
Oh, there!
And what are you doing?
You sit! Ow! Stop! Move!
Dude, I just had my donut.
I just had a...
I feel it on my hand.
Oh man.
I just had it!
I feel it.
I did not expect that it's gonna be really hard, but I guess it is.
I almost hit the bike! Ow! Where is it? Where is it?
Where is it?
Ow! I bet. Ow! Ow!
I got it. Hey. Okay.
Where is mine?
My head.
I got a foot!
Oh.
I got a foot!
Ah.
You got a bite?
Yep. Damn it. But it's too hard. Move
Well, use your hand.
out of my way. Guys, move out of my way. I can't see.
Oh yeah, I got a bite.
Melissa, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get mine. Wait. No, it's not here. Yes, it is.
Just try to take a small bite without forcing yourself. Otherwise, it's gonna keep moving around. Don't use your
I
hand.
can't even see my. Oh, I want to put my tongue down. Wait.
You got it?
Ow!
What a donut left it.
Another bite.
Come on, come on.
My hand's so bad.
Open my eyes.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Okay, I guess, is it really that
I
difficult?
got it.
Is it really difficult? No?
I
Hey,
didn't
guys.
finish my donut.
Guys, is it really that difficult?
Can I have some water?
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Where's my? Is that not the best?
Open up your mouth.
Oh. Okay.
Thank you very much. It looks like you can't do it with your blindfolds on. So we'll try to see if we can take it off and then race if you guys can get it. All right? Okay, let's get it. All right, guys. So obviously the first part of the challenge was a little bit difficult because I don't know if it was just hard the fact that they had their blindfolds on. So right now we're gonna try to see if we can do it without the blindfolds. And so, guys, come on, let's get ready. All right, stay still. All right, with your hands down. Come on, hands back. All right, and on the count of 3, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go.
What's that?
Is it really that hard? Come on,
This is too big.
come on, let's go.
Stop! You cheater!
Come on, let's go. Hands back, guys.
Get back. I go from this side. Oh, perfect.
Come on.
I got one.
Or if I go up.
Come on.
I got top of me.
Wait. Hi! I got you.
Come on.
Oh. Hey!
What are you doing? Now with your hands. Come on.
So I can stop moving. Oh, yep, I got a bite.
I got only 2. Got a bite.
Hands back.
I'm gonna get a bite. I can't. Bro, you're cheating. Oh, that's what you're doing. Oh, from the bottom?
Oh, it's probably bad.
I can't do it because it's too small.
Here's my donut.
All right. Are you guys giving up? You think it's harder for you guys to do that?
Oh my God.
No?
Oh, leave it.
There, thank you. Ah, you're hurting my jaw. It's so high. There, I stuffed it. Yes. One bite.
I finished it.
No, you didn't. Look at that.
Bam.
That was an accident.
All right. Okay, you guys can stop. So apparently, you guys, it was hard for you folks. Morris was able to pull it off by
I
a few
think I know what
pieces.
to do.
And
I think I know
Take
what
a
to do.
big
do
bite.
you guys? Okay, I'm gonna ask you guys something. Is it really hard for you guys to
Yes.
eat them
it
on
is.
with the string moving around?
Yeah.
Is it difficult to do that?
Because the string is. I'm always trying to eat the middle.
Okay. Well, do you have any do you want to maybe ask your audience or these guys watching you guys and
One bite.
tell them to try them out themselves and see if
Yeah,
it'll
you
be
guys
easy for them?
definitely try it.
Yeah.
Huh?
You should try it.
What?
You should try this challenge.
You guys will be surprised on how hard it is.
Yeah.
So they said that
I go under it.
they recommend that you guys should go ahead and try it yourself and see if it's you'll be surprised if you find out how difficult it is to do it. I guess it seems difficult on their part.
And you get messy too.
Yeah, it gets messy too as well. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and close out the video. Come on.
Okay, guys, don't forget to check out our other videos and
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. Comment below.
Share.
And thank you for watching. And also thank you for the people that subscribed. And please don't put your when you subscribe, please don't put on private because you don't know me.
So when do you think we'll do the giveaway? This weekend maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When is the last date? When is the last day for them to? We'll give him up until Sunday maybe. Yeah. All right, guys. So all subscribers and the ones that are not subscribed right now, but they
Can I?
are able to watch our videos, make sure you click that button, subscribe to our channel, like,
Comment done.
and comment done. So we give you up until Sunday. That will be your last day to get yourself subscribed and put your names in, so we can go ahead and when it comes to the drawing, we'll go ahead and announce that winner. But in the meantime, we would like to say thank you again. Don't forget to also check out our other videos, and like always, we want to thank you and thank you and thank you, and we hope to see you folks coming back again in the next one, and peace.
And then bite it.